It is Valentine's Day soon, so I thought I would do a little Valentine's Day makeup, and there's really nothing that's different than my normal everyday makeup. But I'm literally heading out the door right now for a Galentine's Day, so I kind of went for like more of a ruby red, like a little sultry sexy. It's healthy, it's skin forward, it's not aggressive or offensive, especially to men. I feel like they don't love us with a ton of makeup on. They just want us to look fresh and glowy and radiant and healthy. So that's what we're going for. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this makeup look, so let's do it. I'm gonna be starting off with the Beauty of Joseon SPF. It has a super high zinc count, 20.9. And if you didn't know from me explaining this before, a high zinc count essentially protects even more against UVA and all UVB rays. I'm gonna use shade MP200. I find that the darker shade does make me have a little bit of a bronzy glow, and I'm so pale right now. From CL, Tint and Protect SPF 50. And I'm going to use this on top, double duty my SPF, but also I love this product. It comes out so smooth. If you're looking for a skin tint or a foundation to wear during the day that has more coverage than your others, I find that this does such a good job of that. This is definitely one of my higher coverage skin tints that I own, and I love it. I kind of just put it everywhere with my fingers, and then I'll blend it in with a brush. You're going to be seeing me use this RMS product a lot, almost every day. It is the most perfect color corrector, eye brightener, SPF, moisturizer, hydrator. It's so incredible. I feel like I don't need to set it. This is one of my top finds of products recently. I haven't found anything quite as good as a color corrector. Just from a coverage standpoint, like look at my under eyes now. I feel like it just makes them disappear. Once you give this a second to dry down, it will leave the most perfect color, and then you can add a little brightening concealer on top and you're good to go. This is the MPH palette by Mary Phillips, and it's the perfect contour underpainting palette. Although I don't love to use it for underpainting personally, I just like to put my contour right on top and just blend it in. A little bit more diffused and less angular. A little hack I learned recently is to go from the outside of your eye up your brow bone, create a more lifted illusion. I'm gonna go in with the Kosas Concealer 04N. Candy Cloud Set powder from Kosas. Another trick is to powder your brows before you go in with your brow pencil. Hydrating my lips with the Dolce & Gabbana lip oil. As soon as it hits your lips, it turns pink, and it's the perfect soft subtle pink. Using the Mary Phillips palette again, I'm just going to bronze up the skin ever so slightly. This is the Kosas Brow Pop in colored taupe. Go-to top favorite brow pencil. I just got the pocket blush from Hailey Bieber's line Road, and I'm going to use color Sprinkle. Powdering my lips just before adding my Wonder Skin lip stain. I actually don't think I can leave the house anymore without this on. I finally got a full size of the clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. One of my favorite makeup artists, Amy Park, uses this and swears by it being her favorite brow gel, and after I bought it, I realized she's right. I just got 2 lip liners to test out from Rhode. I'm gonna test out colors Twist and Lift. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go back in with my lip oil from Dolce. My skin is really glowy, so I don't feel like I need to add any more highlight. I'm gonna bring out a little bit more of my freckles. I'm going to use the Ethereal Baked Face palette for a little bit of a bronzer blush moment. Next, I'm going to use my YSL Lash Latex Mascara. It's my new favorite mascara. It really lengthens. Like, look at this length. Last but not least, the City Set Lightweight Setting Spray from Say. And that completes the makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm out the door. I'm actually supposed to be leaving. I'm right on time. Something about me is I'm never really late. Like, I'm a pretty prompt person. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.